Zero best for growing business. Thought many business smart small, they don't always stay that way. You want accounting software about unlike accounting programs that base pricing on the number of user each. Plan support Zero's subscription plans support unlimited user. So as your business grow, you can add new employer to your account at no additional cost. All plans include must features such as easy times, tracking and incorrect invoice. The software support more than 700 apps integrations, and it comes with 24/7 email and live chat support. There another reason we choose Zero as the best accounting software for growing business. The pricing plan we are create for different stage of a company's growth. Zero has plan for freelancers, sole traders, business owners just starting out, more stable small business, and even enterprise. Zero can run over 50 reports including profit, loss statement and granularity. Like other accounting software, Zero lets you manage interval switch, helpful if your business small.